Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We have a corkscrew stuck in our wine bottle. So we're working to get it out. Thought you should see it. Okay.
Yeah, we done broke two corkscrews, by the way.
What people will do for a good Moscato.
Oh, Lord. Uh-oh. Okay. It's coming, Jackie. It's coming. Oh. No, that didn't come.
Not that time. Didn't come out.
Uh-oh. Okay, I got it. I'm holding it.
Okay.
Shoot. Uh-oh. Here we go. We in there.
We almost got success.
Let me see.
Okay.
What about the other one?
Let's get rid of some more corkscrews.
This is ridiculous, but necessary.
Yep.
Uh-oh, don't cut yourself. Please don't
Right,
cut yourself
right.
for a bottle of wine.
Right. It ain't worth it.
Oh my God. Okay.
Okay. I just have to make clear space so I can get. Okay, so you hold it down and let me put my hand right here so I can get some leverage.
Ooh, it's coming out. I think it's gonna come this time.
I don't think so. I can't feel it moving. Let's see.
It ain't much left in there. Oh yeah. Here, yeah. I was gonna say try to hook it right here. How about right here? Yeah, right there. See if that works. Okay, I got it. I got the bottle.
Here, you pull this because
Okay.
you're higher up.
Okay, I got it. Shoot.
Okay, there. Yeah, pull it up. Yep.
I think I'm just bending it. This is crazy. Jackie's actually breaking a sweat.
I'm sweating right now. This better be good. No, it's good. We know it's good.
But you know what? I got this other corkscrew right here. The last little $1.50 when we bought.
Right.
And I might be able to put it down in there.
Okay.
Let's try it out. Cheap on.
Why are you moving?
Okay, let me try.
Okay.
Go on the side or something.
Okay.
Oh no, there's probably not enough space.
Right. Oh no, you get it down in there.
Okay, now.
Okay, now pull it.
Okay.
Pull it out.
Oh, dang it. Okay, last time I think I wiggled it and
Yeah. To the
jiggle it
side.
and jiggle it.
And then just it popped out.
Ooh, I'm gonna stab myself with that.
Right. Be careful.
Okay, hold on.
Success!